And I work in the back with some volunteers bringing stuff in. So that meant carrying bags or carrying boxes. And with my back, I'd have never been able to do that. My pain level most of the time was at least 9 or 10. And that's constant from the time you wake up till the time you go to bed. And when you're sleeping, you still get those nerve jolts. I had been seen by a neurologist, and they did an MRI and found out that there was a pinched nerve in my back, but they didn't know where it was. So they referred me over to Dr. Maserati. The nerve between L3 and L4 was pinched, which is also the nerve that goes down your right leg, which they thought was causing my problem.
When I met Kathy, she had had a couple of previous back surgeries. She had developed some recurrent symptoms of back and leg pain. She was pretty debilitated, relying on a walker and not able to do a lot of the things that she liked to do. And we found on some testing that she had developed some arthritis and some nerve compression from that above her previous fusion. And so at that point, she was out of options, and we offered her a surgery to address that problem. And the surgery that we were able to offer Kathy is a less invasive option that takes the pressure off the nerves and achieves that fusion to the next level by going through someone's flank and sparing all those important muscles of the back from the trauma that would normally be done.
And I came out of surgery with no pain, which was the first time in like 25 years. There were days I would come in and in an hour or two go home because I just couldn't do it. And then with me being in the back to unload, I can't lift that stuff, you know, so I just went home until Miracle Man came along. I just coined my Miracle Man Doctor of the Year.
One of the best parts of this job is when we can help patients who then can go back to their previous lives. People like Kathy, who are now able to get around and do such an amazing job of giving back to the community.
With WellSpan moving into Chambersburg, they've opened up a whole new variety of physicians and offices and things that we didn't have here in Chambersburg. It's been a lifesaver for me.